In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Sonnet, Beginner Guide, making simple prompts. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Claude website at claude.ai and click it. This will take you to Claude's chat interface. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that securely, then continue to the chat page where you can start a new conversation. Now we're going to create a simple, clear prompt. In the message box, type, "I want to learn Photoshop basics." This is a great starter prompt because it states your goal plainly and gives Claude enough direction to provide a structured response. Clear goals help the AI deliver organized steps, beginner-friendly explanations, and a logical learning path. If you ever want even better results, you can mention your skill level or the kind of output you prefer. But for now, we'll keep it simple. Click Submit and let Claude generate the response. As the results come in, take a moment to scan the structure. You're likely to see an overview of the main topics you should learn. Things like understanding the workspace, layers, selections, basic retouching, and exporting. Look for any recommended order, practice suggestions, or tools mentioned. As you review, ask yourself whether the plan matches your current level and goals. If something looks unfamiliar, that's okay. This scan is just to understand the roadmap before you dive deeper. Next, we'll expand the outline into full explanations. In the message box, type, "Elaborate all the topics." This tells Claude to turn short bullet points into detailed guidance. Click. Submit again. You should now get more thorough explanations for each topic, often with tips, common pitfalls, and practical examples. This turns a high-level plan into an actionable, beginner-friendly guide you can follow step by step. At this point, you have a clear learning journey, a simple initial prompt to set direction, a first pass to map the territory, and a follow-up request that deepens the content into something you can study and practice. You can refer back to the expanded sections as you learn, and use the same approach for any subject. Start with a plain goal, scan the results, then ask for elaboration. That's the core of making simple prompts work for you with Claude Sonnet.